Hi, folks. It's Tori Ponder Brown, and I am here again with a new tutorial. This one is for those of you who are trying to access videos from our on-demand library. Once you have logged into your account, you will likely be directed to this page. Let's just real quick go over logging into your account. From any page on our website, you can hover over Login, click on Pilates Room account, and you will be asked to enter your email and password. Once you've done that, again, you will be directed probably to this page. And then you will come up here, and if you have an active subscription that includes video, so that would be the VIP membership, the monthly video membership, or the video day pass, you will see this link here. If you don't have an applicable membership or purchase option, this won't show up. In any case, if you have the option, you can just click on that and it will bring up our video archive, and they're kind of all mixed together in here at this point. But if you look up here, you see ways that you can filter. So if you want to take Pilates for scoliosis, for example, you just click on that link and there you have it. And the pictures, the thumbnails are all the same, but the classes are different, and you can see the specific date of the class here. And let me just click on it so you can see how that looks. So it opens like this, and then if you want to view it full screen, you can click down here. And then if you want to exit the full screen, you can click down here, or just click on the escape button on your computer. And that's pretty much it. If you have any problems with this, you can certainly get in touch with me by calling the studio 607-330-0957, and you can select my extension. Again, this is Tori Ponder Brown, and I look forward to seeing you in class or online. Take care.